Hi, how are you? If you want to learn how to pour beer in a glass, then I'm going to show you how to do so. So be sure to keep watching and let's get into it. By the way, it's not easy to pour beer in a glass, especially if you're not used to handling beverage before.
Okay, let's open the beer bottle. First, you will take your bottle opener. This is your beer bottle, and you need the glass. So let's pick up the bottle. We need to open this cap right here using the bottle opener. Then we place it on the top. Press it slowly with your finger. And then we pour the beer on the glass with 45 degrees. When it's reached the halfway, we need to put back to 90 degrees the glass and pour the beer in the middle. This purpose of having the beer foam on the top of your glass.
What kind of beer do you like? A. Light beer. B. Stout. C. Mixed beer. Let me know in the comment below which one do you like.